Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play Blum on Telegram. It is an airdrop on Telegram. It's like similar to Notcoin where you can earn more points. So you have to click the green one and you can click the freeze, and all you have to do is to click the green one and dodge the bomb. So you cannot it can't reset the blum points. So if you done in just 20 seconds, you can earn more blum points. So here what it is, my friend.